Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, July 14, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures here, you'll see that the futures this morning are trading higher by about a half a point to 24.46 and a quarter per contract. Markets held up yesterday for the most part. So again, today we start to see a little bit of an uptick ahead of the opening bell. We'll see how this market plays out today. We did have CPI data out a little while ago. Again, it was basically unchanged. I don't know if we can make much out of the economic news these days. Right now, there's still an underlying bid in this market. Until things change, we want to go with it, and that's really where we are. But we have lots of stocks in the news. Today kicks off earnings season with all of the financials. Let's start off with the biggest one of the group. JP Morgan Chase. JPM is a ticker symbol there. Stock closed at 93.10. It is now trading at 91.48. I will have gap levels ready to play JP Morgan today. So again, if you want those gap levels, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. But JP Morgan in play this morning. Stock did gap up a little bit briefly this morning, and then it has rolled over pretty sharply. So JPM coming out with earnings, coming out with their guidance, and now the stock is trading lower on the session. So we'll see how that plays out. We also had Citigroup report earnings this morning. Stock closed yesterday at 67.02, now trading at 66.50. So this is pulling back a little bit. Nothing I'm looking to do yet, but we will be watching for levels and pattern once the opening bell rings. So Citigroup is in play this morning. Also, Wells Fargo, ticker symbol WFC. They reported earnings. So we had three ginormous banks reporting earnings this morning. Wells Fargo, as you can see right now, trading at 54.55. Stock closed at 55.60. So this is down, ticking by a little bit more than $1. A level right off the bat that I see for Wells Fargo today would be around 52 bucks. Gets to 52 bucks. I do think there's a trade there. Again, we'll be looking at it once the opening bell rings. Sticking with the banks, we have PNC Financial. PNC today trading at 126.98. You can see it right here. Had a nice pop once the earnings were announced, but then it has come back down to earth. So trading, basically just a touch lower than where it closed. Stock closed at 127.32 yesterday. So PNC down just a touch. No big deal there. We'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings today. So again, bank stocks kicking off earnings season next week. We'll have tons of earnings out here. We'll have lots of gap plays. And again, it's going to make for a very, very interesting trading week as next Friday is options expiration. All right, let's take a look here at another big name today getting hit pretty hard. This is CyberArk. CYBR is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $41.20. It closed at $51 yesterday. So this is a big, big haircut. Big sell-off there for CyberArk. We'll see how it plays out. All in all, when I look at this name, I have to think that we are coming up to a very, very good support level. I'll give this out in the intraday stock chat room. I'll have it posted up right at 9 a.m. So again, if you want to trade CyberArk alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You can trade it right with us. I'm going to have a CyberArk level posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. Next up, we're going to take a look at Boeing. This was upgraded this morning. Looks like Boeing right now trading at 207.90, closed at 206.23. Always be a little concerned when stocks are at all-time highs and they get upgraded. You always want to be a little bit aware of that. Sometimes they want to pop them to possibly drop them. So again, be a little bit aware of that. Let's take a look at NTNX, which is added to Goldman Sachs conviction buy list. Stock closed at $20.27, now trading at $22.05. This probably has a little bit more upside to $22.25. That's where you run into a little bit of a wall of resistance. So we'll see how it plays out. But nonetheless, nice pop on the upgrade for Nutanix today. Now going back to the CyberArk, anytime you get a big sell-off like we see here, you always want to look at sympathy plays. A couple of them they want to look at is FTNT. This could be in play today. See, this is selling off in sympathy to CyberArk. Also, Palo Alto Networks. PANW is a ticker symbol there. That's really not down that much, but we'll keep an eye on it. Symantec, SYMC, is another one right there. And again, that's not doing too bad this morning. And then you also have the hack, which is HACK ETF there for many of the cyber companies. And again, that's trading at 30.24. No real volume behind the move. But again, I'll have a level for you today. This looks very attractive around the 29.50 level. So if HACK gets to 29.50, there could be a bounce play there. And I love 27.40. So two levels there today for HACK. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures having a big day today. Gold catching a massive bid, and this is on the back of a weaker dollar. Gold moving higher, I believe, by $14 in the pre-market here to $1,231 an ounce. GLD trading at 117.17. If you take a look at the dollar today, that's getting hit pretty hard on the back of the economic data, and that's trading down to around the 95 level. So dollar is moving lower against everything, and you have gold moving higher. Euro is also moving higher against the dollar. So that's the big news there. Then you have crude oil this morning trading down about 10 cents to $45.99 a barrel. All in all, if you take a look at the USO today, not a big deal, but that is trading a little bit lower from the peak this morning at $9.45. So basically right where it closed yesterday. All right, so there you have it. We're going to have lots of morning action out here. Today is a Friday, so again, you want to take advantage of the first few hours of the trading day. Then the market goes into algorithmic mode. So again, take advantage of the first couple of hours. We have lots of bank action. We have lots of cybersecurity action. And again, it should lead to a pretty good trading session. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the Intraday Stock Chat Room. We're having a great 2017. Looking to have a great morning as well. With that being said, everybody, have a great day, and we'll see you on the charts.